Hey guys, Austin here from Airsoft again, and we're going to send out a message. Now we got another person from Airsoft, Zach. Now today we're going to be sending out a message to all Airsofts around the Beatrice, Nebraska area. That's B-E-A-T-R-I-C-E. Now some people may pronounce it Beatrice, but we pronounce it Beatrice, because we live in Nebraska. Now we're like right on the Nebraska-Kansas border. Right now, the towns that are kind of by us is Lincoln, Nebraska, Zach,
Omaha,
keep going,
Fairbury, Pawnee,
Marysville, Kansas,
yes, and
Pickerel, anything around Beatrice, Nebraska.
Yeah, pretty much.
We're looking for challenges because there's nothing here, competitive airsoft or anything. So
all we do is just have a group of our friends, go to the park, and just have airsoft wars.
So if you're looking for a challenge, you can live around here.
Or live close around this town.
Yeah, just kind of post at the bottom, and
we'll
we'll contact you. Now we're probably gonna have to we're gonna have to discuss locations and all that, and we're pretty prepared for anything. Now as you can see, here's my P90.
Where are we gonna fight at?
We're over there. No, see, I got a nice AK. That shows I'm good enough.
P90.
We got plenty of ammo.
Let's see here. We got.
It's not that bad. Well, I'll fix that later.
We got a container of 6,500.
Alright.
0.12 grams. 5,000. We got another 5,000. 0.12. We got another 5,000. 0.20. And we got another 5,000, halfway gone.
And we got some tracers.
Yep.
So yeah, we're
That's pretty much it for ammo.
So rate, subscribe.
Yeah, and again, please, if you want, we will contact you. Just leave your name or
just say you want to challenge us.
Yeah, just say you want to challenge us.
Remember, Beatrice, Nebraska. You may pronounce it Beatrice. That's the way it's spelled.
Oh, we're not a hick town, so yeah.
You just grow a lot of corn.
Yeah.
For the children.
So.
Airsoft.
Airsoft.
Wait.